Let's talk Solana. This could be the perfect trade setup, and I believe it is according to the technicals. This is my price prediction essentially for the rest of 2024 into early 2025 for Solana, which I believe is bullish. We've seen a lot of chop over the last 9 months, going back since December, and we're in a bit of a range here. So in this video, I want to discuss what that support level is. I want to discuss all the technical indicators, the confluence that's giving me confidence right now. Well, I've actually just gone long with a $100,000 Solana position. I'll be showing you that later in the video. For now, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's talk about the Solana price right now. The first thing I want to talk about, of course, is the support that we're seeing in the market for the Solana price. So what we have is this crucial level in the market, which actually goes back all the way to October 2021. So it's a 3-year division acting as a support level that separates bull market to bear market. You can see that pivot low that was created back all the way in September 2021. It's been a very, very important level for resistance, and now acting as support. You can see that ranges. That support is $107 approximately to about $115. What's more, if you keep that in mind, that support level, we have a very crucial weekly support level at $128. This level actually corresponds to a pivot high we got more locally created in December of last year. So about 9 months ago at the time of recording. You'll remember we talked about that being a crucial level in the market back then if you're a subscriber to the channel. But the most important thing I believe to consider right now for the bullish case for Solana is if you look on the weekly chart, we do have a very evident bull flag that has formed. Very similar to what we saw in Solana's last cycle and what Ethereum's done. You have to think of Solana kind of one cycle behind Ethereum. And actually, Solana has been stealing the show when it comes down to altcoins. To show you this, yes, you can see some of the meme coins like Brett, Bonk, Whiff. Of course, they stole the show, but how many people could have predicted them to get those kind of gains? Most people getting right at the top or on the way down, let's be honest. But look at Solana. This shows over the last year, against Bitcoin, Solana has actually, and it's one of the only altcoins that has outperformed Bitcoin. It's outperformed it by 2.25 times. Ethereum is actually down 34% against Bitcoin. You can see this in a Bitcoin dominance chart. This shows that Bitcoin from August 2022 has risen in dominance 44% against the entire market. So Solana has actually held up very, very well indeed. So let's talk about my high time frame price prediction. Then I'm going to show you what I suspect for the rest of 24 and going into early 25. A reminder, hit the like if you haven't already. Stay tuned to the end. I'm going to be showing you my trade. And also, guys, if you want somewhere to trade buy altcoins, Solana, trade crypto, look no further than 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃 exchange BULLFin. I've been using it to trade, really good exchange. And currently, if you use the link in the video description, this one, you will get up to $10,000 in crypto trade bonus. You can unlock different stages depending on what you deposit and what you trade. It's a really easy platform, low fees, very easy to use, and you've got all the crypto you want: altcoins, futures, meme coins. You've got everything that you could ever dream of. There's literally hundreds of coins there, so check that out, link in the description. But let's talk about what I believe is next. Now you'll notice we have this incredible bull flag that's formed since about a year ago, September 2023, and we have something like an 11x opportunity, in my opinion, for Solana still for the next stage of the cycle, taking us to where I believe Solana will likely top out at somewhere in 2025. You'll notice that I have a price target here somewhere in the region of $1,500, which is about 11-12x from where we're currently trading. I believe that is kind of in the mid-level between the bearish bull case and the bullish bull case. I am expecting somewhere in the region of $1,250 to $1,750 Solana, which would be, by the way, far less of a return if you compare it to Ethereum's last cycle, the 2019-21 cycle. So I know it sounds crazy, but believe you me, when the market really starts moving, Solana, in my opinion, and according to the technicals we're reviewing, should be one of the leaders. Also, if you look on the daily chart for Solana, just to show you what we're currently seeing, we're now creating some higher lows, which is good to see. And also on the low time frame, I'm looking on the daily, but you can see we've now created a new daily level high from the previous one. You see this peak here, so we are breaking out of this zone here. And actually, the daily level we have is $135. When that level gets broken, do expect the breakout taking us up to about $160. I think this is a beautiful trade opportunity, which of course you can do on any of my preferred exchanges. But look at this. When I say a good trade opportunity, if you were to enter the trade around now, go for the next daily level, you could set your stop loss somewhere quite comfortably, even below this daily level here, and you've still got about a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So that means even if the trade was to lose 3 times, but you win one of these trades, you break even. And in my opinion, there's at least a 50% chance of this happening. So if you've got a 50% chance of it winning and it's a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio, that's all about how to manage money, risk management in trading. If you want to learn more about how to trade on these platforms, how I trade, I'll pop a link up there for my trading tutorial so you can get more familiar, and of course to sign up and get your bonus, the link is down below for 𝗕𝗏𝗴. Now what I want to focus on as well, which I think is very important, is the targets out of this triangle, and then also to show you the state of the market with the Bitcoin dominance and also the altcoin market. Both of these are very good indicators of what's next in the market. Stay tuned for that in a moment. Let me quickly show you my price targets first. This is very interesting because what we have is, if we get the breakout, it's quite a big range, it has to be said. It's about a 70% move. So if you get the breakout to the upside, do expect around $250, which is around Solana's all-time high price. But if you get the breakdown, then of course you've got to look at where the next levels are in the chart, and that breakdown for me takes you somewhere in the region of, I mean, on the higher time frame, I mean, worst case, bottom of the range is at $60. I really don't think that's possible. I really see sort of $90 to $100 as really kind of the line in the sand. And obviously the strong support level is, as I showed you, at around $108 to around $115. If that breaks, yeah, there'll be a new video, and I'll probably be telling you to go short depending on several factors. So make sure you have the bell turned on so you don't miss any future videos. But before we finish things up, let's have a look at the state of the market where it comes to altcoins. Solana being probably, if you exclude Ethereum, one of the biggest and most important altcoins in the space. And we recently broke this downward trend line, and we also have this support level as well. So what you're looking at is the altcoin market cap, so it excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum. And you can see the market cap currently is 561 billion. Yeah, we're very nicely supported at the moment. We're creating these higher highs, higher lows, and altcoins should break out like they've done in every other of the cycles, somewhere around October, also known as October. So it's a good trade right now to be in altcoins, in my opinion. You can see in the Bitcoin dominance, it's reached a very critical resistance level. Bitcoin dominance could still go up, but look at this. For the Bitcoin dominance, we have this very long-term resistance line going back 8 years, 2016, touch point, recent touch point, and you have this crucial level as well. So for me, 58% dominance is a really tough level for Bitcoin to break, and even if we break it, we should see a retrace, which will pump the altcoin market like crazy. So some altcoins to be in right now, certainly like Solana, Near, Ton, Link, Cardano, just to name but a few. Like I said, do have the bell turned on, subscribe so you don't miss a future video on altcoins. Last thing to show you is something incredibly cool that my team and I created, and I think it's probably relevant for you if you're still watching. This is an AI analysis tool, free, on Telegram. You can use it to analyze any coin in real time using live data. And for the purpose of this video, because it's a Solana video, well, let's use it to analyze Solana. So you press analyze, and by the way, you can click on more popular coins. There's loads, and you can even manually type in a coin. But for the purpose of this, let's click on Solana. It takes a few seconds to load. It's analyzing real time, and it's going to give us a bias with a stop loss and a take profit level. And on the 4-hour time frame right now, it's suggesting to go long, just like pretty much in our analysis that we just made. Of course, you can change the time frame. It will change the levels and the analysis. And what's super cool, you can actually click take trade and send the trade with the stop loss and take profit directly to your Bybit account, Blowfin account, Binance account. So you can use it to trade for you as well with the real risk management and key levels. You can generate a chart. You can ask it questions like ChatGPT, but it's CoinGPT. Super duper cool. The link is in the description below to check that bot out for free. And again, your sign up bonus below. By the way, this is exclusive only for 250 people. There's still about 200 positions left. We launched the promo yesterday, so you can still claim that. Thank you for watching, guys. Do feel free to check out any one of these relevant videos to you on screen, and I'll be seeing you again on another video very soon. Take care, guys. Bye bye.